Hello students and welcome to the art class. Today you will learn how to make a paper bag with newspaper. So you need two big sheets of newspaper which we are going to stick together. Then you need thread, you need scale, you need glue, you need pencil and another thicker sheet of paper that we need for the base and for the handles. Now I have stuck both my sheets, big sheets together, and I've made it into one big sheet. This is the big sheet that you see on my table, and now I'm putting glue on one side of it because I'm going to fold it into half like this. So put glue and very neatly we are going to fold it into half. So you can see using my hand, I'm neatly going to spread this out. You can even use the scale to spread out the Fevicol and glue the paper neatly. So like this, we can use a big scale also. And now I will start making the folds, the creases. Now what needs to be done? I will take approximately 2.5 inches, or you can just measure it randomly. So this much paper we need, and we'll crease a fold, and from the other side we need to now overlap. So let's get started. So we are going to now overlap. One side you can see I've already folded, right? And the other side I'm going to overlap. So to make it easier, I'm putting a scale. With this, the overlapping is going to become a little easier. Now put glue on this folded side all over the edges and overlap the other part and stick it onto it. Neatly press. And now once again what I'm doing is I am making another fold. Approximately you can take say 2 inches. Similarly on the other side also what I'm doing, I'm making another fold. Just put your scale there and just make a crease line. If you don't want to measure 2 inches, 3 inches, what you can just easily do is with your eyes just do a quick measurement, keep your scale there and fold. So these are the two folds that you've got after keeping the scale, 1 and 2. So these are the two folds I'm showing you again. And now we are going to pull up the folds just like a mountain. Okay, you just have to pinch and pull up the sheet and make a crease. Pull it up, pinch and make the crease and put it down. From this side also similarly, and make the crease. So to show you again, fold and pull it up and make the crease. This line goes inside and you make the crease like this. So I'm just showing you again. This center part goes inside and you get a neat crease. Press it properly so that the creases come out well. Now we are going to fold the bottom part. We need to make the base of the bag, which is closed. So what we are going to do again, use our scale, or you can also do it without using a scale like I'm doing, or we can use the scale, approximately 4 to 5 inches. Fold it up, make a neat crease. Now let's just use our scale, put it diagonally, and we are going to fold the corners neatly like this. Okay, just put your scale diagonally on both the sides and just make the corners. Just fold the corners neatly like I'm doing. Now let's hold the bag up. Put it in the standing position. Hold it up. And once done, we are going to press the edges inside. Yes, fold the edges inside. You're just going to, you can see again how I'm doing this. Just make it a little neat. Fold the edges inside and then we'll overlap these two sides and glue them. One is going to be like this and the other one is going to come from the other side. Just like we do when we are wrapping a gift. Again, let's make the creases properly so that it's easier for us. So I feel now the creases are pretty well made, and I'm using my glue, and I'm going to put the glue on this triangular part. Okay, this triangular part that you see, on this you put your glue. Just apply glue over there on the triangular part, both sides. Turn it inwards. Now turning it inwards, the glue is already there. I need the glue on this longer side also, the two flaps. So now I'm going to apply glue on the longer side, the two flaps also. So just apply glue on the corner like this, and this side also on the corner, on the edges, and stick it, press it. Just press this side. First let's stick the longer side together. Let's press it, and now turn over the bag and put your hand inside, and now press it from the bottom so that the sides also get glued properly. So like this it's done. Now I'm just checking the base of the bag. Yes, this looks good. You feel that you need to crease it a little more. You want to make it more sturdier, a bag with a stand. So please make the creases like really nicely with your fingers by pinching them. Like this, we are done. Now I'm going to take the thick sheet of paper that I have, cut it into half, or you can say I'll take a small strip almost the size of the base of the bag, and I'm going to stick this strip at the base of the bag so that I can keep even heavier things in my bag, and the base of my bag where I had put Fevicol will not open. So now I need two more strips of the thicker paper for making the holes for the handle of the bag. So I've divided into half and I've got two with me. I'm going to glue them both at these two top edges of the bag. As you can see, time to pierce the holes. This you can do with a punching machine, or you can just very easily do with your pencil like I have done. I'm showing you one now how this can be done. Just hold the paper, put the pencil through, and now the ribbon. In case you have a ribbon, you will have to knot the ribbon inside. Now I already had these tags for me, and these have a metal attached at the corner which doesn't let this come out, so I need not put any knot, and my paper bag is ready.